on me.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a Rubik cube challenge with my dad. So today we're having 3 rounds and we're gonna see who wins. The game starts now. Now I'm starting with the top layer. I hope I win, guys. I really hope. I am in the second layer now. Versus a 35-year-old. Isn't that interesting, guys? My daddy is just doing a second layer. Or my dad is gonna win. I'm almost there, guys. And guys, comment down below who is going to win, me or my daddy. We're stretching out. Now we're shuffling each other's cube. The round 2 starts now. I won the first round. Let's see who's winning the second round. Are in the same timing. Look, we are doing the top layer. Since I won the first round, my daddy is serious this time. I learned the Rubik's Cube from my dad only, guys. He's the one who taught me to solve the full Rubik's Cube. I'm so excited to know who is winning this game. My dad is on the third layer. But I won, guys! Before starting round 3, we are shuffling the cubes. And the round 3 starts now. Hope at least this time my daddy's gonna beat me. Guys, you know what? I'm gonna finish. Guys, I'm in the big hidden formula and I'm gonna show my dad the last step. And I'm done! I can't believe I won all the 3 rounds. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. See you later guys. Bye.